Okay, so you see this? I actually use a solder tip to melt down this one and use a blade to cut off. It doesn't look pretty, but you know, it get the job done. So when you mount this one, you be sure this is within a certain. See this because okay. Well, let me explain to you. If you look at this back, you see this is a little bit deeper. So when you mount a LED SP, if you push all the way down, then power of the LED light you lost power of the lights. For this particular one, you try to align with this end. So let me show you. See, align with this. Probably see better. Now you align with the top aluminum frame, so that way the light source is more efficiency. First thing. Second thing is that you can try to snap back the plastic. Make sure it's good because the LED was mounted here. You know. Oops. So I think I'm good. Like this. Good to go. Yep. So just like this. Yeah. Okay. The way to mount it, I usually do this. I look down while you peel it off. See, this part tips different than our UV tips. So you mount like this. Top. Yep. You see this? So you see all the LEDs? Let me. Okay, you can use this one. You stick down, push down, make sure you stick to the metal. Not the metal, but I mean stick to the aluminum. You see this? Just one section at a time. Make sure you stay there. Make sure you stick good, so then you spread heat much faster. That's why our SP is using a black, kind of like a double-sided tape, but it's different material, different chemical. We got high temperature conductive tapes. All right, so now it's done. Let's put it back. Plexiglass. All right, so make sure there's no dirty stuff. That's all right. So they align with these two holes. That's usually the web a diffusion sheet. Okay, usually I will use this. Yep. And this end just use, make sure it stay there. Good. This end is good. First, you align with this hole. Okay, you see these two holes? That's for it. So then you don't look at this top side, just look at these two holes. Make sure I stick to it. Yeah, that's it. You push it down, this is automatically goes in. Okay? So of course you make sure they snap right back. So actually this end fits pretty good. You see I open it, I show you. That's pretty good. So you see that? LEDs inside. So when you mount it, so you bend the white light, that's perfect. Next thing, okay, the box go this side. It's make sure there's no dirty dust, because one spark ducts will become a dead piece. So when you fire up the monitors, we'll have the display. Do the same. Make sure it's clean, and you do like this. This is a very important step. Okay, when you put it back in plastic film, you make sure all edge sit inside of the plastic film. You have to make sure inside sit that. See, this one sits not really well. So because the plastic Okay, you push down, see that, here we go. Because you have to make sure it stays inside of the plastic. So that way when you snap back the metal film, you will not crack the screen. Sometimes if you don't careless, when you snap back, then all of a sudden you realize you need a new screen. So that's the thing. This one peel off a little bit so we can peel off the film. Alright. Then you know all these 4 corners sit inside. Perfect. Push it. Flick over. Okay. Don't release the tension on your hand. You see this? You slide right back. Make sure everything's good. Then slide back. Okay. So you just push 4 corners. Oops, this one is not in yet because the bend it a little bit. Here we go. Okay, looks like everything's in place. Hopefully I didn't crack the screen when we fire up. Shouldn't be. Okay. Now, next, you secure the wires by adding 1 piece of small tape. Okay, just like this. So you know what I meant, because the mounting screws here, you can stick it out, you know, they stick it out. So that's why you had to cut the plastic off a little bit at this end. So basically this one, you just clean it out, you peel it off, and basically just add to it, you know. This one we have to redo it again. Like this. Peel it off, stick it in, just like that. It's gonna be really cool. The heat spreads really fast. This is so sticky. Right, for demonstration, well, this video I'm not gonna you know, stick to it because it's just put it like that. Okay, but now comes really exciting movement. Let's see how good it is. We all know with its original LED driver we got 309 nits. All right. So I have a SAM controller. Okay, I forgot the driver. Okay, let me see here. I think I need this inch. Okay, let me see. I forgot I changed the wire or not, but I have to see if the light lights up or not. If not, then I don't need to use. Where's my other wire? Here we go. This is the drivers. Okay, sorry. This is the this is the drivers. This is for others. Okay. So when you purchase, we already set the jumper for you already. So no, this one's of this. Yep. Let's fire up the LED first, see what happens. Oh, I don't need to use this. Just connect directly. It should be fine because yeah, there we go. Good. So, all right. LED driver 610 UB. We get out this wires. Okay, let me set it aside. Oops. Okay. Oh, yeah. Hopefully you can see a better picture here. Okay. I'm gonna apply the generator. Forgot about the turn on generator. And then we apply power, 12 volts. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Okay, turn on the meter. Same meter we using to measure with its original LED drivers. $1,360, 1,360 nits. $1,355, 1,355 nits. This is 1,362. So wow, what a difference. We just measure it with the original airship and driver 309. Now you get almost close to 14,000 for this particular screen, sharp screens. Of course, remember you need to add the 6-sync on the top, 2 heat sinks. So make sure that it's won't overheat it. Next thing is that sometimes for the SB0S LED kits, install different screen, they have some different results. If you have watched my other video before, you notice that the SB works pretty good on AU Optronics G150XG01 version 3. That particular model is used in industrial applications, so it's pretty good. That one can more than 1600 nits. So this one is not bad at all. It's almost 1400. So if your application needs to be used on the outside or high bright environment, SB is the way to go. Thank you for watching.